The Spiked Aminos is a great product you can take any time of the year. My favorite's pre-contest when I'm doing early cardio. 125 milligrams of caffeine, so you get good muscle retention, also caffeine for fat burning, and also energy and focus. And also all the essential amino acids to prevent any muscle loss so well. But you can take them in the off-season too, just to give you that extra kick during your training. We have them in blue raspberry and orange mango, and both are delicious.